Let's take a look at this Paper Mania paper craft card kit. It allows you to make a cake like this and write a message. This costs around 75 rupees or around $1 or so. Found this at Miniso DIY Greeting Cards. It's manufactured in Japan. Looks like it's pretty easy to put together. So let's see how to do it. You get 2 sheets and an envelope. You can remove each of them individually and make it a doily, or you can leave it like this. Putting that was the trickiest part. It's quite easy to build. You can even send this cake. Putting the cake together is quite easy. Looks quite nice too. Quite a fun looking card. But I don't think this can be a substitute for the real cake though. Very easy to make. Quite nice. Check it out.